Welcome to making a skyscraper in SketchUp. I open this up with architectural feet and inches as a template. I'm going to select on this person and delete them. Now I'm going to make sure that my toolbars have just the large tool set chosen. I will close and I will begin. I'll start with the rectangle tool and I'll make a 100 by 100 foot rectangle. I'll just pop it in place and then type on the keyboard 100 feet, 100 feet. Hit enter. Now I have the enlarged rectangle. I might have to zoom the extents to get it all, or I may have to press my scroll bar and orbit to see the entire area. So now let's go to the offset tool, which is right here. And we're going to put an offset on here. But before we do, let's go ahead and pull this up. We'll use the PushPull Tool and we'll raise this up. Let's go with 25 feet. So 25 feet, enter, and now it's raised up. Now we'll head to the offset tool and we'll do an offset of 10. So we'll pull it in and type in 10 feet and hit enter. Well, let's pull it back a little bit so we can see it, and I'll use the hand and move it down if I need to, and we're going to extend this up and make a few towers. We'll go back to the push-pull tool, we'll raise it up another 25 feet. Then we'll go in another 10 feet using the offset tool. So we'll get it on the edge, pull in, we'll go to 10 feet, enter, and you can see we're going to repeat this procedure, only this time this one's going to be 50 feet. So we'll come up and go with 50 feet, enter, and I'm going to have to scroll back just a little bit so I can see the whole edge. We'll try that again. Offset, come in, we're going to go with 10 feet, enter, we'll pull it up another 50 feet, 50 feet, enter, and I'm going to have to pull it back a little bit and maybe reposition it so that I can see things. I'll use a hand in order to move it. And now we're going to take the last area and raise it up so that this will be the top of this skyscraper. We're going to go in again with the offset tool, another 10 feet. So we're going to have to put it on the edge, pull in, we'll type in 10 feet and we'll hit enter. And now this top area is going to be used. Actually, that doesn't look too great. We're going to back that off. I'm going to do a Control Z to undo, and I'm only going to put this one in 5 feet. Wrong one. Control Z. Get this one. There we go. 5 feet, enter, and I'll pull this up. As I pull it up, let's go with it. In this case, we'll pull it up 25 feet. 25 feet, hit enter, and now we're going to extend the top. To do that, we're going to zoom in, and we're going to use our line tool, and we're going to go from corner to corner, then again from corner to corner, then we're going to come out from the center to the midpoint on each one of the sides. And we're going to do that to the last side also. Now, using the Control key on the keyboard, we're going to hold it down as we make selections. I'll use the Selection tool, and I'm going to click the first one. I'll hold down the Control key on the keyboard. Notice the plus comes up, and we're going to click on the additional 3 lines that I'm showing you. Now make sure you get those lines just right. Now we're going to switch to the movement tool, and we are going to go to the center and pull it up. You're going to notice something that happens here. It kind of makes it into a big, tall, and you can go up as high or low as you want. I'm going to come up here until I think it looks pretty good there. Notice that. Now I'm going to orbit this, zoom out so you can see the top of this particular skyscraper. I can orbit it down, I can move it around. You can see it has a really nice look. Now we're going to add windows, and we are going to add doors and other features. I will do that in part 2 of this video. Thank you.